Yeah. Now this is my golf cart right here. I don't know if I've ever shown this on any video. We'll do a walk around. A little dirty. Gotta wash it up. And that's for the light right there. But I want to switch to LED. And right here, I want to get the 670 Predator motor, but I don't think I'll be able to get that anytime soon. So I think I might have to just compromise and go with a 420cc, which it's only 13 horse. It's a little bigger than the stock engines on these. This is a gas version. This is a 20 liter. I gotta unseize the back end, so I haven't figured out how I'm gonna do that yet. I might even just take the diff off and drain it and inspect it. Maybe I don't know what kind of gasket would be on there, rubber one maybe. So I don't know if just making a rubber gasket the same style as that, or just go buy one maybe. I got oil for it because I bought some oil a few years ago for this, because I was going to redo the gear oil in it. Got to bend this back out. Also got to make a armor plate for underneath here for the housing, the pumpkin, because, well, if you hit a rock on the back end, on one of these or anywhere, it will bust it open. So armor plate on that, so then it has some protection when traveling through the bush or wherever there's rocks. A little bit of bending, some bending out, modifying. Like right here, I got to redo a new battery area, clean this whole area up. That's a little dickered, so maybe we'll just have to cut this out and redo another one. We'll have to check the other side. If it's the same, we'll just cut it out and put another bar in there, or another PSL bracket, or just make it another heavy duty. All my old parts. So yeah, I want to get this for romping for the year, for the summer. It's a cheap version of a side-by-side, but heck, they're fun. When you don't got the type of money to buy a side-by-side or a quad or any of those fun things, you're just gonna have to go buy one of these. So swing a deal with the owner or whatever, but not steal it, not take it. That's wrong. But you can get these pretty cheap because they're usually in the grave sites, because they usually get new ones. Because there's usually a lot of problems with some of these, like rusting. This is all gonna have to be redone, that whole side. So another sheet metal or whatever, rock panel. Maybe we can do a bar. So I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, because I don't own a welder, and I don't know how to weld anything, which I wouldn't mind learning, because this is a project. I am going to go through all the wiring, clean it all up. I do got a wiring kit that I bought, but it didn't come with my 32-inch light bar, so I'm just going to send it back, because I got to get something else now. And what I'm going to get is OBD2 or OBD2 or ODB2 reader, and see what's going on with my truck. And then down the road, I'll get a light bar. But I really want to get the 670 for this. And I had to go down to Bellingham to get that. I don't know if I'll be able to use these same plates. These are the original mounting plates for the original engine. I gotta bolt this back up or fix that in there. But seeing some ATVs or whatever, 350 Hondas and stuff. Just like those little work ATVs that are good for with four-wheel drive and all that. Well, you can see under there. I have to do some maintenance, really. Clean this up, oil it, new cables, brake and accelerator cable, because, well, last time I was out ripping around with this out in the bush, I had a minor little defect because the throttle cable stuck and the engine just kept on going. So I had to pull my seat off and pull the battery terminal off, like pull it off. I might have to get a new one of these. I'm not 100%. Alrighty. So yeah, this is my go-kart, and I do want to get it running for this year. It's been sitting for about 2 years now, and I can't even get a 670 shipped to me, but I could pay $1,000 something and get it. But I bet you I could save some money and go down there for 2 days, 48 hours or something like that. Yeah, thumb this up, because I want to put a V-twin Predator motor in, but if I can't, I think I'm going to just have to compromise with a 420cc, which I don't want that. I want the 670. A little more power, more horse. Not much, but it'll be a lot better than what the 420 is. Alright, it's dang hot out here. This is a beautiful day. Alright, thumb this up. I'm out of here.